सबको तो इधर बैठा है मेरे सामने ऐसे हॉट डॉग जा रहा है, पॉपकॉर्न जा रहा है, फिर उन्होंने उधर बैठ के बात कर, अरे सॉस नहीं दिया सॉस, अरे सर सॉस देने मैंने चूतिया पिक्चर देखना.
He stayed for 3 hours at the party, telling everyone how much he loves Sanjay Dutt.
अक्षय खन्ना भी लगता है थोड़ा ऐसा कर. Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, माँ कसम ये सच है.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है, माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है, माँ कसम भाईचारा रहे भाईचारा, माँ कसम जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ.
A man kept eating popcorn loudly for the whole movie. I repeat, whole movie. Completely ruined my experience.
तो 2.5 घंटा पॉपकॉर्न खा रहा है आदमी.
क्या वो गनी बैग में लेके आया था क्या popcorn?
वो मशीन ही लेके आया था.
अच्छा वो सामने बैठ के फट 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 फट. Oh no wonder it was annoying. Unless he's got a microwave और बार-बार वो Act 2 डालते जा रहा है अंदर.
No, it's that, you know what this is? This is that thing at PVR where, sir, small is for 466 rupees. But if you add 2 rupees more, we'll give you this full tub.
Yeah. उसमें आप ही बैठो. There's no seat. You sit on the popcorn. आजू-बाजू आते रहो.
You know, the worst part is nowadays, like which used to not happen earlier.
Yeah.
But abhi you go to a multiplex and they have this habit of they'll go and place the order. They'll bring it to your seat. It's the worst. And if the person who was ordered is in the middle or whatever.
It is always in the middle.
Always. साइड वाले चुपचाप लेके बैठ जाते हैं. यार नहीं खाते इंटरवल में खाऊंगा. ये बीच वाले सीट 9 और 10. उन्होंने पूरा आला कार्ट आप लेते आओ. और वो आदमी ना ऐसे सबको तो इधर बैठा है मेरे सामने ऐसे हॉट डॉग जा रहा है, पॉपकॉर्न जा रहा है, फिर उन्होंने उधर बैठ के बात कर, अरे सॉस नहीं दिया सॉस, अरे सर सॉस देने मैंने चूतिया पिक्चर देखना.
अबे दिन बार्गेनिंग होता है ना.
Doesn't that happen to everybody? Like
ये this was not my order. अरे ये मैडम ये फाइटिंग चलता है ना.
अबे मैं ले लूँगा, मैं खा रहा हूँ बुझ गई तेरा ऑर्डर.
No, and at 11:45 in PVR Andheri, you have ordered sashimi. What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
I was watching Sinners. The entire movie is audio. Right? मस्त गाने, डायलॉग और इधर होगा ये समोसा नहीं है क्या तेरे पास? Don't get me wrong, I love samosa.
समोसा की गलती नहीं है. You just want to make that clear in case there are any samosas watching. Let's.
No, I'm just saying problem is not ordering the samosa. जहाँ लेना लाइन में खड़े रहना.
अरे but nowadays they've started screaming in the interval. Has that happened to anybody here?
What?
The guy comes in and says, "Ma'am, samosa." Train बना दी है.
Cold drinks,
Ring, cold drink.
और पूछ रहे हैं लोग थिएटर क्यों नहीं आ रहे आजकल? कि चिल्ला रहे सिर्फ लोग वहाँ पर.
1000 रुपए इसके लिए दिए.
But yeah, it is a very substandard experience because like you, especially PVR, I think that's where I've seen a lot of movies and always bugs me. There's a show timing which you promptly arrive at. Okay? Then PVR is like, thanks for coming early. Here are 45 minutes of ads. Come have a look, right? Lyra is playing. Right? For 45 minutes.
मेरा मुकेश सिगरेट पी के मर
चुका है.
आत्मा भटक रही है फिर भी.
He's reborn. Right, so 45 minutes of that crap, right? Then you have guy who has ordered samosa, so he's fucking your experience. Then interval happens. You've gone out. Then there's that line because they have like 18 different counters. But
The line is as long in each counter.
no, there's only one guy working. So 17 shut.
वही पॉपकॉर्न बना रहा है, वही पानी ला
Yes.
रहा है, वही सब कुछ कर रहा है.
Yes. Then you also have that one guy who decides his entire order at the counter. He will never.
Actually,
ये बर्गर मतलब क्या? अच्छा ब्रेड के अंदर ऐसा डालते हैं. अच्छा होता है. आपने खाया? आपने तो खाया ही होगा ना. क्या आपको नहीं देते डिस्काउंट में? क्या बात कर, कहाँ से है तू? अबे ऑर्डर.
I have seen this exact thing happen. And I'm right behind that person.
Burger मतलब क्या है?
The craziest thing that's happened to you guys in a theater, we'll go from here. You guys. Sir, you. I will direct. What's your name, sir? Urvish. Urvish, what is your theatre watching experience like nowadays? Is it better now or is it better earlier?
I don't go in.
Netflix. Yeah.
The good thing is you can watch a Netflix episode while the movie is about to begin. तो पहले एक episode देख लिया.
I can sleep while watching. I can't sleep in the theater.
Yeah, correct. No, actually they encourage it.
अरे वो
because-
recliner वाला आ
Exactly. Recliner, blanket, everything they're
That
giving you.
blanket smells, but
Don't
For-
use the blanket.
For several reasons.
PVR, if you would like to sponsor us, we will edit all of this out.
But they're trying to, because people are now moving to Netflix, I think they'll start making the theater going experience more like Netflix. Like if you want to rewind 10 seconds. अरे पीछे लगा प्लीज अरे you just watch, why you have to watch it again?
अबे लेकिन 250 लोग बोलेंगे तो तू थिएटर में 6 घंटे के लिए है भाई कैसे खत्म होगा
You know, the other thing that's happening is with these new movies, right? Ke Sayyara and all these things. Where did you see? You must have seen it, right? The Sayyara epidemic, where people got infected. Like they watched the movie, then they just started crying, right, in the theater. During Chhawa, guy brought a horse in. He just rode in.
चूंकि मेरा लाइटर लेके नहीं जाने देते थे और वो घोड़ा आ गया यस इसका टिकट
अबे सिक्योरिटी के थ्रू कैसे गया है घोड़ा? How do you pat down a horse?
हाउ डू से नो
Then the usher comes in. Samosa किसका है? घोड़े चाहिए.
चना है
I moved to Bombay to do my masters. My friend and I had been hunting for a house for a very long time. We finally managed to find a house after much struggle. The house was great, location was good, rent was affordable, and the landlord was very chill. Being girls, we'd anyway avoid having parties or bringing boys over, not wanting any undue issues from the landlord slash society. It was my roommate's birthday, and for the first time, we decided to have a small party. The small party slowly became a big party, and
क्लासिक
and there was noise. The bell rang, and to our horror, it was the landlord who stayed in the same building. He's standing outside the door. We got worried, stopped the music, and hid the alcohol. The landlord showed up with a bottle of wine. What?
He showed up with a bottle of wine.
Yeah. So the landlord showed up with a wine bottle to wish my friend. Out of courtesy, we asked him to come in, hoping he wouldn't, but he did. He stayed for 3 hours at the party, telling everyone how much he loves Sanjay Dutt.
वो Spotify निकाल के अपना डाल रहा है like नायक नहीं.
Literally.
That's me
Because
dancing to the party.
he loves Sanjay Dutt, and he was quoting movies like Sajan, which were released before I was born. I love how she added before I was born. At 2 a.m., we saw him dancing two Khalnayak songs with a bottle on his head. From that day on, he would ask us every Friday what our plans were. He wouldn't be creepy, but just annoying by constantly wanting to be there. We eventually left the house after a year for other reasons. The new house we moved into had a stricter landlord, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but I prefer the second guy.
New landlord is fan of Dilip Kumar.
No, but the earlier landlord, like, apart from the constant coming there, you would want to have a chill landlord.
You would want to have a landlord in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Like, there are people who are struggling every day.
That's why it's called house hunting, no? It's just
But yeah, they got a guy who was just a little too chipku and too involved.
लिटिल चिपकू मतलब क्या है? ये तो गोद में आके बैठ गया है भाई.
But इसका process क्या होगा to get the house with this over friendly landlord?
Yeah, it'd be the opposite of the
Yeah,
current
like he
scene.
wouldn't be like ये मत करो वो मत करो. He's like तुम Friday party करते हो नहीं फिर
Are you Muslim? No. अरे यार.
pure veg. Sorry, please.
Minimum one boyfriend, please. Yeah, but like the other thing about it is that he was like I like this guy was just so eager. I think he wasn't renting out a house. He was trying to buy friendship. That's what he was
He's
actually
just
trying to do.
lonely, huh? Because they were
Exactly.
like, they said he didn't creep them out. He's just like, कुछ हो रहा है क्या आज फ्राइडे को? नहीं,
उसको
हम
सिर्फ
just
संजय
alone.
दत्त के गानों पे नाचना है ब्रो हर फ्राइडे आके ओ साकी उसका एम्बोले तो लाइक डूड पूरा फिल्मोग्राफी सुनाएगा ये
But it would be actually crazy to have Sanjay Dutt as your landlord.
नो बट दिस गाय वुड डू दैट ही इज सच अ बिग फैन ही विल शो यू अराउंड द हाउस इसको बोलते हैं गीजर इसको ऐसा दबाएगा तो गर्म पानी निकलता है
अब बाजू में वॉचमैन सर्किट बन गया क्या बोल रहे भाई मस्त बोल रहे भाई
And the tenant is like, what is the procedure to change the house? Alright.
हमारी एसी नहीं चल रही जादू की झप्पी दे देना उसको ओके हु इज लैंडलॉर्ड लेट्स सी एनी लैंडलॉर्ड्स हियर
Dude, it'd be.
एक मिनट ये क्या इनका क्या डिस्कशन है
यू डोंट नो यूर अ लैंडलॉर्ड ये तो बेस्ट लैंडलॉर्ड है यार
इज शी लैंडलॉर्डिंग ऑन योर बिहाफ
Wait, what triggered the conversation?
She thinks the flat in front of us, I have rented for some like keeping some storage stuff.
You have rented the flat, or she thinks you
you
rented.
suspect that this is happening
Wait, y'all are together? What's your name?
Azim.
Azim.
Yeah.
Azim, and you are? Maria. Azim and Maria, you're married, and you think that he is renting the opposite house to keep his stuff.
No, she knows. She knows.
And are you?
But they're not staying. They were staying in a parents' house.
Huh.
But it's like to keep our stuff during our marriage. There was a lot of shifting and everything. So we.
You rented a house to keep stuff.
3 BHK.
A 3 BHK to keep stuff.
क्या काम करता है?
एक रूम में रह लो ना
Listen.
Chose that, not me.
Azim, can I be your stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many people here who will be stuff. वो तेरा कपड़ा लेके खड़े रहेंगे ऐसा ना नहीं मैं तो हैंगर हूँ
4 लोग ऐसे कुर्सी बन के बैठे हुए ये हमारा कुर्सी है प्रकाश
But so you rent a 3 BHK to keep your stuff and you stay in the opposite house.
We have been staying there for like 20 years now. And we just.
Can I suggest one thing, Azim? Why don't you just rent a 6 BHK and keep all your stuff with you? It's not available.
भाई पैसे का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है भाई अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है
Looking for a 1 BHK, but that was not available like close to us. The only house was 3 BHK.
तो you go to one house you shower there then अरे मेरा तो पैंट उधर है
अबे दिस इज द मोस्ट एक्सट्रीम वॉक इन क्लोजेट
अरे वॉक इन अपार्टमेंट है
तो मतलब तू नहाता है ये घर में एंड देन यू वॉक अक्रॉस द कॉरिडोर टू चेंज सब लोग तौलिए में भाग रहे हैं वहां पे
But why stop there? Why don't you like completely segment your life? कि मैं यहाँ हगता हूँ, यहाँ नहाता हूँ, यहाँ बैठता हूँ.
वाओ ब्रो 6 BHK कर ले
1 second, what did you tell your landlord? Who's moving in? My fridge.
By the way, can I tell you look like Rajiv Gandhi?
I've been told that I look like Kapil Sharma.
he looks like Kapil Sharma
I see Rajiv Gandhi 100%.
Rajiv Gandhi full.
Oh, first time I'm hearing that. Yeah.
Anyone?
First time you're hearing about Rajiv Gandhi? Operation is successful. नामो निशान मिटा दिया है हमने.
In my teenage, I was chubby and I was told that I look like Kapil Sharma.
Oh,
And
chubby,
people
हाँ.
also tell me that
अक्षय खन्ना भी लगता है थोड़ा ऐसा कर.
and people also tell me that I look like my dad. And my dad.
that should be I
We should
mean
start with you look like your dad and
some people say I even look like my dad
And my dad looks like Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid.
Yeah.
Oh.
So.
Sorry, just introduce yourself in one line.
I'm Janak. I am young and figuring out life.
Oh. क्या टिंडर बायो लिख दिया ले भाई ने.
Swipe right.
I'm with my girlfriend. Here.
चलेगा?
Uh-huh.
It's okay.
Hey, we are not hitting on you bro. Don't
yeah
worry. हम लोग लाए थे भाई मैं गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ हुआ.
Wait.
I'm with my girlfriend
Where is girlfriend?
अपना चड्डी में रखो तुम
Where
लोग
is girlfriend?
She's right there.
Hi, girlfriend. What is your name?
मंशिका
Manchika.
Manshika, who do you think he looks like most? Rahul Gandhi, Rahul Dravid, Akshay Khanna?
Aziz Ansari also.
मैं तेरा रोज हाँ एक्चुअली
He told me. I am not seeing. He tells me I believe.
Okay, so
Hanak, tell us your story.
So, do you all remember Rakhi Ka Swayamvar?
Yeah.
So Rakhi Ka Swayamvar happened. We were like, okay, this some new thing is happening, and like we all got excited, and we went. Like I was watching with my family, and then all contestants were introduced, and then we see one contestant. We are like, oh fuck, this guy looks like a relative of ours.
Or it's just a random dude who looks like you.
Then my last name is. Then we see, okay, this guy shares our last name. What the fuck? And then this is a relative whom we have lost touch with. And then my dad calls her sister. He's like, bro, काकू का भाई क्या कर रहा है लाइफ में? वो दिल्ली में था ना, like what's he doing in life? He's like, we don't know. And then like first episode aired. He's like, no, उसका नाम यही था. उसका नाम यही था. And then we call and they're like, okay, fuck, my relative is in Rakhi Ka Swayamvar.
Were you voting for him then?
We did not vote.
but did you ever like did you have that thought कि Rakhi is going to come into my family?
अबे देखो मालूम था कि तू राखी को काकी बोलने वाला है.
Bhai, he reached the finals. He was a finalist.
He was a finalist. What was his vibe generally? Can you just describe what made him a finalist?
I'll tell you what his audition story.
हाँ, please.
किधर था तू इतने टाइम तक?
He initially went to Colors to audition for Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Technically, he is on Khatron Ke Khiladi.
He's like देखो काकू
If you really want to be a daredevil.
और थोड़ा खतरे वाला चीज करा था.
Kaku is his nickname. It has been hidden for.
Kaku is his nickname.
Yeah.
How is he? What is he of yours? Cousin?
He is my dad's second cousin.
Dad's second cousin.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Huh.
He's very good at martial arts and all. So that's why he auditioned for Khatron Ke Khiladi. But वहाँ पे he said कि मेरे को नहीं करना है because कीड़े खाने पड़ेंगे.
और मैं प्योर वेज हूँ ठीक है.
Yeah, I'm a Jain. So.
हाँ, so his audition story. He went for खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Then they was like, तेरे को कीड़े नहीं खाने हैं तो next door राखी का स्वयंवर हो रहा है चले जा.
वहाँ पे कीड़े तुझे खाएंगे.
And there everybody was asked that do you want to marry Rakhi? Everybody said yes. This guy said I just want to know her as a friend first. So they rejected him first go. And then one either casting guy or Rakhi herself saw कि एक बंदे ने ऐसा बोला है. You have to get him in. One guy has to be like that.
So Rakhi has gone swipe right.
But that's a good way to get. I think it was planned by uncle.
Yeah, well done. Yeah.
And then
It's a good answer.
We thought कि okay निकल जाएगा 2-3 हफ्ते में. Like आ रहा है आगे आ रहा है. Top 10 में आ गया है. Top 5 finalist.
Finalist meaning how many people were there in the
3.
final? 3. He's the top 3.
I was on TV.
You were on TV. How?
My dad had an entire scene that got cut off. राम कपूर ने my dad को प्रसाद खिलाया है, माला पहनाया है.
राम कपूर का स्वयंवर था क्या?
He was the host for the finalists.
तो वो क्यों हार पहना रहा है लोगों को?
अरे मिलनी होती है ना पंजाबियों में.
अच्छा.
Huh. So wait. Why has he come home? Because relatives से मिलना है types.
So we are the Bombay relatives. So they need
To show footage ना, what does the family think?
top 3 finalists के they need to show people that these are the relatives. सबके भाड़े के थे. Because we are Bombay people. We are the real ones.
Oh shit. बाकी सबके भाड़े के रिलेटिव्स आए थे.
Like बाकी सबके सिर्फ मॉम डैड आए थे. हमारे मॉम डैड चाचा चाची फर्स्ट कजिन सेकंड कजिन.
हम तो जाएंगे.
You know, Rakhi is looking at their footage and going like, fuck, इससे शादी करना पड़ेगा. Like, these guys are serious.
I can't get वो भाड़े के पेरेंट्स. हाँ, प्रमोद बहुत अच्छा है. अबे प्रमोद नहीं, राकेश ने मुझे. राकेश बहुत अच्छा है.
ये मेरी मम्मी. अच्छा ये नहीं, ये है ना, ये मेरी मम्मी है.
हाँ, फिर फाइनल्स में अंकल.
So finals में आ गया. फिर then final का 2-day scene. संगीत, final rehearsal and final live shooting. तो I went for the संगीत shooting. Time pass, just देख रहे क्या चल रहा है and all. Enjoyed, met Rakhi. I didn't recognize her at the first go.
Why?
Who
did she look like? Kim Kardashian.
It's just like how you see people without makeup and with makeup for the first time. But like Rakhi is a fun person to talk to. Like मजा आया बात करके and all. Friendly
What
and all.
makes her fun?
Witty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Huh.
And Mufat hai, bro. She just says what she.
Yeah. Very authentic.
Yeah.
Huh.
Then there was a final rehearsal. वहाँ पे भी I got impressed with Rakhi because one of my cousin वहाँ पे दिखाया था कि अच्छा इफ योर रिलेटिव विंस हाउ विल यू रिएक्ट. माय लिटिल कजिन शी वाज जस्ट लाइक डिडंट रिएक्ट. देन हर मॉम वाज लाइक यार तू थोड़ा अच्छा रिएक्शन देना अगर कल ऐसा होएगा. देन राखी saw द मॉम सीइंग दैट. राखी लाइक अरे बच्चा है मत बोलो ऐसे इसको. तो राखी was impressive that way. Man, I was a 9-year-old. I was like कि fuck शादी एक्चुअल में हो सकता है कल. And final is happening. The top 3 scene कि माला इसको पहनाएंगे and they're like cheer for your person and my family was like they knew it's not gonna happen. They were just woo कर रहे थे.
अच्छा, they knew it's not happening.
As in they knew कि आज नहीं होएगा, maybe eventually it will happen. And I was just like no, please. Please no.
इसके पीटीए मीटिंग पे राखी सावंत आ रही है. आई एम हिज आंटी. क्या हो गया?
But eventually वो नहीं किसी और को माला पहनाया and शादी नहीं हुआ. Oh.
And you just went, oh Jesus, thanks.
Give it up for Janak. What a great story.
Amazing.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.